Too many people read the Bible and still feel lost. We're here to change that. This is for the one who just said yes to Jesus and doesn't know where to begin. For the one who has been in church for years but still feels stuck. For the one who wants to stay consistent but keeps falling off. Whoever you are, there's a place for you here. We go through the Bible in order, starting with the Gospels, walking through the New Testament, and then into the Old Testament to show how it all connects. Nothing here is random. Every video builds on the one before it so you can follow along and truly understand the flow of Scripture. That's why we want you to go to the playlist. Don't just click one video. Start at the beginning. Let it play and learn in sequence. That's how you'll get the most out of this channel. We are committed to teaching with clarity, with order, and with consistency. This isn't just a channel, it's a movement. Subscribe, check out the playlist, and join us as we get big on Bible together.